Hey BROCHIKAS, for today's video I have a Fabfitfun unboxing. If you are new to my channel or you just haven't seen one of these videos before, I am a Fabfitfun partner, so we are working together on this video today. I'm going to be showing you what I got in my summer box. I'm very excited, and I of course do have a coupon code to share with you guys, so I'll leave that here for you and also down below in the description box along with the link to the website. Basically, you take a little quiz and then you get to customize certain items in your box, and then certain items will be surprises. Now, this is a seasonal subscription box. So you're gonna get for a year: summer, spring, fall, winter. It's honestly one of my favorite things to get in the mail. I feel so excited. It's like a very treat yourself type of thing. It feels like your birthday 4 times a year. I absolutely love it. You're gonna get full size products, and some of the products are worth more than the box itself. Box is $49.99 unless you do the seasonal subscription where you buy 4 boxes for the year. You do get a discount and it brings it to $45. But if you use my discount code, you can get $10 off of your first box. It has to be your first box, so if you're new to Fabfitfun, you will get $10 off your box. Well, anyways, let's go ahead and get into this box. I have a drink with me because my mouth gets dry when I talk a lot. I'm drinking some green tea. All I had was a smoothie straw. And so it's a big straw, but grab a drink or a snack because it might be lengthy because I talk about the products a lot. So here is the summer box reveal. Keep in mind that these boxes are recyclable and eco-friendly. So here's like little ladies laying out on the beach getting a suntan. There's some palm trees. This is very cute and very summery. I love the beach vibes. All right, so here is my box. Oh, on the inside there's a bunch of ice creams. Very, very cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this down so that I can show you what I got. I like to do with these videos is kind of like tally up how much I saved, because you guys know we love budget-friendly stuff on this channel. And in my opinion, this box is totally worth it and then some, because I always get like $200 worth of products for such a small amount. I mean, it's amazing. First thing, this is what I picked out. I'm so excited about this. It is a Society 6 wine chiller, and I love me some rosé and champagne because I like mimosas, and so I wanted to get this. This is so cute, you guys. Oh my goodness. So this is a wine chiller. You're gonna put it in here cold and it should keep it cold. I don't think you can fit any ice in there or whatnot, but this is that kind of material that just like you put the cold in there, and while it sits in here, it's gonna stay cool. So that's really good to like bring with you to the pool or the beach or something. I was kind of thinking about bringing this with me on my beach vacation so that I could just set this in the sand and then have like cool rosé. But I love this. It's so pretty. It's like a yellowy, creamy type of color. It feels really, really good quality. Hey, that's funny. So usually this little pamphlet that comes in there will show you the price of all of the things that you got in your box, and I can't find a place where the prices are. So I will try to look it up for you guys and put it at the bottom of the screen. Next thing that I picked out, I'm so excited about. This is a traveling jewelry case, and I do wear lots of jewelry these days. I've just been loving accessories, so I figured this would be awesome for my trip because I don't have something for, you know, traveling with jewelry. I did buy something recently that's super cheap, but this one is really, really nice. It is a blue and white zebra print with a silver zipper, and this just feels such good quality, you guys. So here's the inside. There's a little mirror, and then there's places for earrings or necklaces and a couple of rings there. And then you flip this down and you have another little pouch for like rings, bracelets, or necklaces or whatnot. But I'm so excited about this. This is perfect for vacation. Then I decided to choose this Bauble Bar Build Your Own bracelet because I love the colors in this. It's gonna be hard to show you, but it comes in this cute little pouch. And I know Bauble Bar is a really nice brand, so I was like, wow, build your own. That's interesting. It might be something fun I could do with my daughter. But I really like all of the colors that they have in here. And I feel like they could really go with my boho style. All the different colors. I love this one. This one's my favorite. With the gold and the green. As you can see, this is like one of my favorite greens right now. I'm loving it. But these are so cute. And it does come with 2 different types of string here. So I believe you can make 2 different bracelets with that. But yeah, I just thought it would be something cute to do with my daughter. Also thinking about maybe making an anklet with it. That would be so cute for summer because these look very like beachy tropical colors. Oh, so excited about this one. I did pick this one. This is African Botanics Shimmering Gold Oil. And I just felt like for summertime, this is definitely the vibe. Putting like a gold shimmery oil on yourself when you go outside and you just glow. Oh, so pretty. This just definitely spoke to me and said summertime. So I had to get it. I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna test some on my hand to show you guys what it looks like, but it looks promising. Okay, I'm gonna try to give you a close-up. My front camera close-up is not the best, but let's see. Okay, so this is the kind of top it has. So let me see if I can. I don't want to pour too much out. I don't know what's going on here. You squeeze it. Okay. Ooh. Oh, it's very subtle. It's very subtle, but it's like very beautiful. Like this, okay, I like this. It's not glittery. It is like a natural glow. That's very pretty, you guys. I actually like this way better than what I was expecting. I was expecting it to be like a shimmer glitter. Because I used to have a lotion that did that, but this is a very gorgeous, oh my God, this is gorgeous. When you have like a little tan and you just put that on your body with your bathing suit, oh, that is very pretty. I'm so glad I got this. And I'm really happy that this is travel size because that means I can bring it with me on my beach vacation. Who else is sick of me saying beach vacation? I am so sorry, you guys. But anyways, this is 2 fluid ounces, so that means I can bring it with me. Right, I also got this, which is so adorable. This actually was like a 3-pack. So 3 things came together as one choice. So I'll show you the other 2 in just a second. But this is a silicone mold by Blush, pineapple shaped ice mold. And you can do so much with these, you guys. You can make ice. You can make candies in here. You can make chocolates in here. I used to do that with chocolates. You can put like a juice in there, like orange juice or something, and freeze it up and put it in a drink. You know what I mean? Like a adult beverage drink. You can make flavored ice cubes. So this is really cute and tropical and definitely summery. Along with that, it came with this citrus squeezer, which I just recently bought one, but this one is bigger. So it's gonna fit bigger citruses, which is awesome. And this is by the brand AR Cook. It's a citrus squeezer and press. It's dishwasher safe, BPA free. And yeah, so this one is like a lime color and it feels really strong. I've been using this a lot for my mixed drinks, you know, or lemon water, whatever you want to do with it, but I use it a lot for my mixed drinks. And the other thing, now really I chose that because I came with this. This is what I really wanted from that option. And this is a fruit butter lip mask by Seraphine Botanicals. And I just, you guys know I love like lip products. All lip products I'm obsessed with, hydrating my lips and everything. So here's the tube. It is 15 grams. That's a really good size. Honestly, it's vegan and cruelty free. And it's an intensive overnight lip mask that envelops the lips with shea butter, apricot kernel oil to help deliver intense hydration, softness, elasticity while you sleep. The vegan formula gently melts onto skin, rescuing it from early signs of fine lines, imparting a rich and dewy finish. Ooh, sounds luxurious. It has a little seal on there, which is so good. Oh, it's pink. That's so cute. It's like a very light pink. Where can I put this? Maybe I should put it on the other hand because I have shimmer on this hand. I already have lip gloss on. That's why I'm not putting it on my mouth. Oh, that feels so moisturizing. It smells so good too. Oh yeah, did I get it on my nose? That feels very hydrating, as you can see. Oh, I like that a lot. So the next thing I got is another skincare thing. This is very exciting because it is flight mode skincare and I'm going on the plane. So I was like, yeah, let's try this. It is a high altitude hydration mask. I have seen beauty gurus say that they wear masks on the plane because it dries out their skin. I've never been one to notice experiencing that. Maybe I have experienced it, but I don't remember. I know I always get a pimple when I go on vacation. I know I always do. Every time I fly, I get a pimple. But I don't know. I just wanted to try it. So this is for all skin types. It boosts your hydration. You sit back, relax, and have some beauty sleep while you are flying. It has hyaluronic acid to hydrate and plump your skin. It's a leave-in mask, so it's infused with aloe vera cucumber extract. You'll wake up feeling soothed and refreshed. The best part, no wash off necessary. Yeah, so that's really cool because it's basically like a really hydrating moisturizer, if you will. And so since you're on a plane, it's annoying to go to the bathroom and do anything beauty wise in that bathroom because it's so tiny. So the fact that you just leave it on is really practical. This is so cute. And of course it is travel friendly because it is 1.69 fluid ounces. So love how they took that into an account. That's a cute little bottle. It does have a seal on it as well, which is awesome. Oh, it's like a jelly type of consistency. Oh, that feels so good. It has a very, very light, clean scent. Oh, that feels really, really comfortable. I think I'm really gonna like this, so I'm very excited to use it. You guys will see it in my travel vlog, so stay tuned. And that is everything that I got in the box, you guys. I'm very happy with everything. I'm happy that everything I got really reminds me of summer. I know some people don't like when their box doesn't feel like it was made for that season. I genuinely feel like everything here is very summery and travel friendly, so I'm very happy with it. And I want to thank Fabfitfun for working with me on this video because it's always a pleasure. It's one of my favorites. Don't forget, I have all that info for you guys down below in the description box. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy today's video, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any more videos from me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!